This video shows how to program with obniz and how to control the servomotor from the web. First, you need to prepare the obniz and power it up. If you didn't set up Wi-Fi, you should see the before instruction. Next, you should connect servomotor to an obniz. Now we are using 7 and 8 and 9, grounded in 7. And open the program page and let's start to program. You can see the document at bottom of the program page. You can see the details. And let's remove the LED object and replace it by servomotor. And you can see what servomotor can do and what obniz can do at the document page. We prepared the instructions by text and by using images. So please refer to the document how to treat them, because this is video instructions, so we cut the details. And you can write the wired information like this: serve wired to obniz and pin numbers 7 and 8 and 9. So if you change the pins, then you should rewrite this code to use the servomotors and change the behavior when the on button pressed. Change the servomotor's angle to around 90 degrees. And also change the off servo angle to 0. Okay, this is done. This is the full code for the controlling servomotor from the web. Let's run it. Press the Save and Open button on the top of the program page. Then the website will be opened and you can use it. On and off, and you can cross. Also, you can share the URL to friends. Okay, I will show the changing pin assignment. Let's change to 1 and 2 and 3. And edit the program page. Serve wired 7, 8, 9 to 1, 2, 3. Then press the Save and Open HTML button, and you can control it from the web. Next video shows how to integrate the button and the website.